Hello and welcome to the GameDev Outpost. In this video, we're going to be learning to navigate the Unity engine. The goal of this video is to make sure that you feel comfortable navigating the engine and you don't feel afraid that you're going to break something. We're going to start out with the Unity hub and then we'll move on to making a new project. After that, we'll go over the engine's user interface. If you haven't downloaded the engine yet, go and do that now. So starting with the hub, we have projects, learn, and installs. In installs, this is where you'll see various versions of the engine that you have downloaded. If you want to add other versions of the engine, you click Add, and then you can choose from the list that appears. Under Learn, Unity has projects and resources that can help you get started. And under Projects, you'll see all the projects that you've created. Let's move on to creating a new project. The first thing we want to do is give our project a name and save it somewhere. To the left of the settings, we have 6 different templates. If you hover over each button where there's an eye and you click it, it'll give you a little more information about that template. For right now, we're going to just choose 3D template. As soon as you hit create, the engine will start to compile your project. This may take a little while. It took me about 2 minutes. Alright, let's talk about the editor's user interface. So in the top left corner, we have our standard menu bar, and then below that, all the way from left to right, this is called the toolbar. We'll be covering more of this in later videos. Next, we have the hierarchy panel. This is where you'll have a list of everything that you're putting into your scene. For example, in this sample scene, we have a main camera and a directional light. Next, we have our scene viewport, which we can switch between 2D and 3D. And then next to that, we have our game view, and then we have the asset store. This is basically Unity's marketplace. You can search for free things on here, and you can also search for paid things on here. The next window I want to talk about is the inspector. So if you have something selected in the scene hierarchy or in the viewport, you'll see a list of various properties that show up in this window for you to edit and manipulate. Next, we have the project window. This is where you will save or import assets to be used in your project. And last, we have the console window. This is where you'll see logs, errors, and warnings for when you play the game or when you're scripting. Alright. The last thing I want to show you is how you can move these windows around. The first way is by going up to the menu bar, clicking on Window, Layouts, and there's a few options in here to change the layout. The second way is by going up to a window, grabbing the tab, and just dragging and dropping it wherever you want to put it. Alright guys, in the next video, we'll be navigating the viewport. If you like this video or if you have any questions, please let me know by commenting and liking the video.